submerged in fuel. This fuel this isn't even contaminated. It's yellowed, sure. It's old, certainly. I burn this in my truck. There's no water in it. Ha. Did you get that? There's no water. There is water in it. That's why this happened. This ethanol, corn ethanol fuel holds moisture. It attracts moisture. It causes metal components that are submerged in a petroleum product to rust. Offers little lubrication compared to fuels of old. Corn ethanol. Your fuel efficiency will decline with the use of it. Your performance will decline with the use of it. Your engine longevity, fuel system longevity will be reduced with the use of it. This stuff is bad, but that's what they're making us use. I'm lucky to be in an area that has non-ethanol fuel. It's more expensive, but it's what you need to use for small engines and such because of the small orifices and jets in the carburetors. Fuel injected stuff isn't as susceptible to the gumming up of ethanol fuel, but fuel injection is still susceptible to this kind of damage from prolonged storage. In the old days, you could store something in gasoline, and gasoline would go bad and it would smell like paint, varnish, paint thinner, and turn yellow. Your metal components that were submerged in old gasoline would be gummy and yellow, not rusty. Everything has rusted like it were sitting at the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean. The demarcation line to the fuel level. This is no good. What do the insides look like? Well, that doesn't look so special in there either, does it? It's a good thing there is a source for used parts, and Beamer Boneyard has some new parts as well to put this back on the road affordably, because that fuel tank is $1,200 bare. This is $400. This holder is $400. The fuel pump is $400. This little hose is $40. The fuel filter is $40. The hoses need to be replaced. 1,200, 400 is 16, 400 and 400 is 8 plus 16 is 2,400 plus a whole bunch of other parts. Do you get what I'm saying? You have to use used parts. or this would be an unrealistic repair. Fortunately, there's a source for those, and Arschlock likes that. Hey, you're not Arschlock. That's not Arschlock. Oh, there's a story. More later. There's no more zoom for this camera. I had this fuel sludge on my fingertip when I went to turn the camera off. And it drooled into the button.